Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 89 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, that is money. The necessity of life but not the meaning of life. So let's start. So, uh, so, my money, what it is? It is one of the greatest invention of human civilization. With money we can buy clothes, with money we can buy food, with money we can buy uh, everything what we want to achieve in life, what we want to get in life, we can buy that with money. But ask yourself, is money everything? So the answer is no. No, money is not everything, because money can buy you materialistic thing, but money can't buy you happiness. Money can't buy you peace. Money can't buy you true friends. For example, you have bought bed, but it does not guarantee that you will have peaceful sleep at night. You have bought home, but it does not guarantee that you have good relationship and good family members in the house. You have attract people through money, but it does not guarantee that you will get true friendship in life. So what does it teaches us? That yes, money is necessary, important for life, because it help us to achieve materialistic goals. Because to live in a life, to live in a proper way, we have, as a human being, we have necessities. We have to wear clothes, we have to have food, we have to drink water. So for that all necessaries, money is important. And so it fulfill for us in that way. But it depend on person to person how they utilize money. For example, if I am earning 50,000 a month and my expenses is 55,000, I will not able to utilize the money in proper way. I will be money deficient. So we should know how to balance money. We should respect money, but we should not let ourselves to control ourselves. We should not let money to control ourselves. We should respect money. We should help people with money, help poor people with money. We should see that is money is used in proper way or not. We are helping our family members or not. We are buying their necessities or not. Because money is not only to invest in a invest, it is also to invest in a proper way. Money should be also used to build healthy relationship in family members. Not only it is about just investing and just wasting your time, just wasting your money. It is not like that. So money can't buy happiness, but it can be the medium to buy happiness. Money gives you freedom. No, your parents can't give you freedom. Your siblings can't give you freedom. Any person can't give you freedom. Money gives you freedom, because money gives you the amount so that you can travel across the world. Money help you to enjoy the life, because without money life is good, life is happy. But with money, life is more good. A person who know how to use money, he will be able to use it if he will able to use in proper way, then he will understand that wow, life with money is also good and life without money is also good. Because I have seen many examples there. Poor people who don't have money, they also used to live happy life. And rich people who have money, they also live lonely life. They live lonely life. So what is that mean? It depends on person's skill, how they know, if person's skill, whether they are knowing to use money or in a same way or not. Because I have seen many middle class person who have achieved all of their houses, all of their dream car or everything through money, and they invest them in proper way, and they are having a good relationship also. And I have seen that rich person also who are in due to lot of money, they are being tensed, they are not able to get peaceful sleep at night. So it depends from person to person how we utilize money. But remember one thing, that you have to utilize money, you have to control money. Don't let money control you, because if you will let money control you, you will be not living a healthy relationship, living a good life that you supposed to. So that's all for today video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.